Hi, my name is Noe, and today I'm going to be making my fluffy butter slime. One thing that's really important is following the instructions so that you can get the best slime possible. So with this slime, I'm going to take my measurements, and I'm going to start off with 30 millimeters of clear glue. So I got my measuring cup right here, and I'm going to put it right to the 30. I'm going to put it down. Almost there. Okay. Make sure not too little or not too overboard, because that will affect the slime. Okay. I'm gonna pour it in. I'm gonna use my little stirrer to get everything out. And that helps a lot. So no slime goes to waste. Okay. So now that I have my 30 millimeters of glue in here, I'm gonna do 10 squirts of the foam soap. So I'm going to stir it in. Take 10 squirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to mix that in just so it starts getting fluffy, because that's what the foam soap is for. Okay. Looks like it's pretty much mixed in. Okay. That is so cool. Okay, now I'm going to choose my yellow ink because this is a butter slime after all. So, sorry. Make sure that when you open this, there's a little white little ridge around it, that it doesn't fall in your slime like it did for me. Okay, now it says just put 3 squirts of the yellow food coloring. 3 squirts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is what I'm talking about, the little light rim right here. Make sure you take it off before you start squirting into your slime. Let's mix. Oh, this is cool. It looks like butter already. Like if you ever melt butter in the microwave when you're making like cookies and it looks like it's melted, that's what it looks like. Okay, next I'm going to do a small handful of the soft clay. So a small handful. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Okay. That looks like a small handful, right? And I'm going to throw it in and mix that too. Gotta mix it good. I think I was supposed to add the activator. Oops. Okay, so this is an example of a failed slime. So I'm gonna take my activator because I missed that step, and I'm gonna take 2 spoonfuls of my activator. So here is my thing. Ooh, I got some clay. There we go. And I'm going to do 2 spoonfuls. So 1, 2. Now I'm going to mix it in and make sure my clay is all good. Make sure that your activator is really mixed in before you want to go in with your hands. Okay, there we go. Now I have to mix it very good because the clay is in there while the slime is forming. So once this is all together, I'm going to go in there and mix it very well. I'm going to add just a dash more of activator. There we go. I can smell the soap. It smells good. Okay, once it's starting to come together, as you can see, I'm going to just mix it like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I gotta mix it with the clay. Okay. You gotta mix it a little because the activator just got in there, so you gotta mix it so that it's the best. Okay. Gotta crush these little balls of clay. I'm going to add a little bit more clay because I didn't add so much because I messed up. But it's completely okay. This is how you fix it. Okay. Ooh, okay. Now I'm going to mix it in. Now I'm going to mix the clay in. And in case you add too much activator, sometimes you can put some water in there so it can soften it up. But I like it kind of hard like this. It's cool. Okay, so there is my butter slime. It's so cool. I'm gonna put it down. So if you can see, I'm gonna move my bowl out of the way for 1 second. It is super cool. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna grab a container now. I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna grab one of my containers. I think I'm gonna grab, let's see if it fits in the small one first. I think because it had clay in it, it may not. It is just super fluffy. So I'm gonna put it in a big container. So I'm gonna put it in a big container. Yeah, that looks so cool. Now I'm gonna grab my cap and just place it on top. Ooh, this may be the small one. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the right size cap and put it on top. And that's it. There's my fluffy butter slime. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!